In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account inactive in QuickBooks, a crucial skill for those managing their finances effectively. Whether you're looking to streamline your accounts or just need to temporarily remove an account from view, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. To begin, we need to head over to QuickBooks. So, open up your web browser of choice. Go to the QuickBooks homepage by typing in the URL or using the link if you have it handy. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your login credentials. Your homepage will be your command center for everything you'll do in QuickBooks. Next, we'll navigate to the Chart of Accounts, a critical section for managing your financial accounts. You'll typically find this option listed in the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your current accounts. This page gives you an overview of the assets, liabilities, income, and expenses related to your business. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, the next step is to choose the account you want to make inactive. To do this, locate the Select option next to the account name. Clicking Select helps highlight the specific account you're focusing on, effectively narrowing down your actions to that one account. A drop-down menu will appear when you click the Select option. In the drop-down menu, find the Make Inactive option and click on it. You might be wondering what making an account inactive means. Essentially, it hides the account from your primary view without deleting it, allowing you to reactivate it later if necessary. This is helpful if you're trying to clean up your active accounts list without losing historical data. Once you choose to make the account inactive, QuickBooks will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. Here, it's important to understand that making an account inactive won't reduce your data usage. It's merely a cosmetic change to your Chart of Accounts visibility. If you're sure about proceeding, click Yes, Make Inactive. This confirmation ensures that you've double-checked your selection to prevent any unintended changes. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to managing your accounts in QuickBooks. Keeping your Chart of Accounts organized by inactivating accounts you no longer use can streamline your workflow and make managing your finances less cluttered. Remember, you can always view your inactive accounts in the future and reactivate them if needed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful in optimizing your QuickBooks experience. Feel free to explore other features and let us know in the comments if there are more topics you'd like us to cover. Happy bookkeeping!